Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I would go ahead and share with you guys a couple of small hauls that I did the past couple of days. One is from Hobby Lobby and the other one is from Joann. So let me dive in and share with you first what I picked up at Hobby Lobby. All the ribbons and trims are on sale this week, so I'm really trying to cut down on my ribbon supply, so I didn't really peruse too much in that section. I always go to where the faux leather section is with these tall spools. So I did grab the holographic wide ribbon, and I don't really want to blind anyone. There's 24 inches and it's 8 inches wide, and this is $4.99, so of course with the 50% off I only paid $2.50. I also picked up some items from the Sewology line because that was also 50% off. So I picked up these rotary blades. I'm not sure if this will fit my rotary cutter or not. I'll check it before I actually open the package, and if not, then I'll just return it. But there's two blades in here, and it's the 28 millimeter, which is the smaller size. I did also grab some more rivets. I did order some of these gold ones, because right now all I have is the black ones from Ali. But this size I'm familiar with because my other ones are the same. So these are in gold. These are the 8 millimeter, and they're just the flat gold. There's nothing on them. And then these I thought were fun, and these are rhinestone rivets. I just have to be careful when installing them because you do have to use a rubber mallet, and I tend to be a little heavy-handed. So these are 8 millimeter as well. And lastly, from Sewology, I picked up these sewing and quilting labels. I actually have like a collection of them from Hobby Lobby, but when I'm making like bags or things like that, I wish I had my own personalized label, but until then, these are super cute. So there's some that say with love in every thread, and then this one says stitched with love, and it's in the light pink with the gold lettering, so it's super cute. I also picked up these Yarnology floss cards. These are sizes that I've never seen before anywhere. Normally I have the smaller white like plastic ones that you can get at any craft store, and I actually use that to store a lot of my ribbons and trims. And I'll show you that in an upcoming video when I share my organization storage for those. But these are a little bit bigger, so they only had 2 of them left. So I grabbed them, and it's holographic. So who doesn't love that, right? Instead of having to cut my own. So there are 10 pieces in each, so hopefully I can get good use out of these. The Tim Holtz stuff this week wasn't on sale, but I've been wanting to try these alloys that came out this year from Tim Holtz, and there was 2 different packages. The other one was just a gold and a silver, but I thought this one looked more like the rose gold, and that's the color I love. So this is in Mind and Statue, and I did use my 40% off coupon on those. And I always seem to be picking up stuff for alcohol ink, and I will be doing more videos on that coming up soon as well. The last couple things I picked up were from the Spring Shop. I think that's what it's called. The Spring Shop, yeah. And all their Spring Shop items are 50% off. So I just got this cake stand. I think that's what you call it. Normally $3.99. So that was a great deal there. I always use these in just elevating different decorations and things in my craft room. And I don't have a pink one, so I did grab that. And the last thing I got was this metal bucket, and I have a plan for storage in my craft room for this, so I will share that with you probably when I do a room tour, and hopefully that'll be soon. But it's been still a lot of work, and I'm just kind of scratching the surface of it. So now on to Joann. I didn't pick up that much there either, but along with the alcohol ink theme, I saw that they carry the air blower by Tim Holtz, and I do have other tools like this, but I just kind of wanted to see how good this one was. I have this thing with tools, so the more the merrier for me, but that also means that I don't have any storage for them. But I heard it's easy to use, and I don't know if this was on sale, but when I was at Joann, I had an additional 20% off. I think this was already 30%, so I got an additional 20% off, and I love stacking coupons. I also did grab these plastic bobbins. This is what I was talking about that I normally use, not just for my embroidery floss, but for other smaller ribbons and trims. And I basically used up everything in my stash. So I got that. This was actually on clearance. This is the Reactive Screen Ink by Heidi Swapp. So you can use like a stencil with it and then let it dry and run foil on top of it, and it's supposed to stick to it. So we'll see how that works, but I only grabbed it because it was on clearance for $1.97. I also picked up this DMC metallic embroidery thread. If you guys saw my tutorial on making my Rosette butterflies, if you haven't seen that, I will link that in the description box below, as well as in the cards on the top right. But the one that I have is a more yellow gold, and this color is light gold. So I picked this up and it lasts me forever. Another item that I got on clearance was this DCWV petal paper. It's just basically crepe paper. It was on clearance for $3.47, and I don't have any crepe paper in yellow. And I like the two different hues of the yellow. So I've been working on like a bigger decor project for my craft room. So once I kind of get into that and I'm done with that, I will share that with you guys. More stickles. I just couldn't resist because it was, I think, 40% off of the stickles, the pack of 3, and these are my favorite colors, so I can never have enough, and I always like to have backup. So this comes with crystal, diamond, and stardust, and on top of the 40%, I did get an additional 20% with my coupon. And the last two things I picked up are, of course, paper. I hadn't been in Joann since they started carrying first edition, and I love their paper. So I picked up one 12x12 and one 6x6. And let me tell you, these are expensive. The 6x6 originally is $10.99, and if you can believe it, the 12x12 is $27.99. Even with a coupon, that is ridiculous. So the best time to go is either using a 60% off coupon or going when you can stack an additional 20% off your entire purchase coupon when they're already on sale. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So all the paper pads at Joann is 40% off. And if you have a 20% off on top of that, you get that additional percentage off. If they're not on sale, of course, use like a 50 or 60% off. So I got the Chasing Rainbows. And let me open this. Okay, so let me do a quick flip through of the first edition Chasing Rainbows. It is so cute. I think this has to be my favorite unicorn themed paper pad that I've come across so far. So it says it's 6 by 6.5. I didn't know that. And if you guys don't know, first edition, it's like, I think maybe half of their patterns are single-sided, and then the remainder are double-sided. They normally have some sort of treatment on most of their papers. So these are the double-sided. I'm not a very like big orange person, but this is more like on the corally side. It is so cute. Beautiful floral. And then look at these unicorns. That is so cute. And it looks like you get 3 sheets of each, which is nice. I love this like lilac and pink mix. And then it's like an ombre of the purple and the pink on the other side. This one feels different. I don't know what kind of finish it is, and it's hard to see on screen, but it has all these like rainbow and stars and things. It's super cute. There's these triangles on the other side. This one has clouds, and I like the scale of them because they're smaller. And then this one, it's like the full rainbow with the clouds. This kind of reminds me of like doodlebug paper. This has stars in different sizes, and then some like watercolor strokes on the other side. These super cute hearts on this side, and then this geometric pattern on the other side. This one has polka dots and it's like an ombre. And then the other side, it has this blue to pink gradient, and it says like, "You're magical. I wish I was a unicorn. I love you more than rainbows." Super cute. I cannot wait to cut into this. This looks like a cut apart sheet, and these are so cute. And they're meant for tags, but I think you can just punch them out and maybe use them in bottle caps. I think that'd be super, super cute. This floral, I love this combination. Super cute page with unicorns and rainbows. This one has some glitter on it. There's these diamonds and this mint color. This one has unicorns in the rainbow in the background, the rainbow color in the background, and the unicorns are actually glittered. This one has like confetti dots in rainbow colors, and this also has glitter on it. Wow, that is so pretty. So this whole page, like the background, is holographic. You can see all that light bouncing off. And then on top of that, it's like foiled. That is so awesome. And then lastly, it comes with 3 of these holographic sheets. How cool is that? So I love this paper pad. They do have a 12 by 12, but I held off. And then the last thing I got from Joann is Pretty Posy, another first edition paper pad. This is the 12 by 12. I didn't see a 6 by 6, otherwise I would have grabbed that. But I'm sure you guys have all seen it. I haven't opened it, so I'll just do a quick flip through-ish. So it has beautiful florals, plaids and stripes. Like, they all remind me of like wallpaper. Love this with the blue background. I mean, this came out a long time ago. I remember when, do I have it? Maybe, I might have it in the 8 by 8. I don't even know. See how it looks like wallpaper? But I love it. And these are the single-sided ones. This one has some sort of treatment on it. It feels embossed. And I do believe that she might have come out with some fabric from this line as well. Love it. And these feel like linen. So there's a great texture. It's like linen canvas type of feel, and it's super thick. I love this. This one is like a shimmer. So it has these heart wreaths and the whole entire page is shimmery. And so is this one. So I'm so excited. I love these paper pads. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week so far. And until next time, bye everyone.